ஐந்து கரத்தனை அணைமுகத்தனை ஐந்து கரத்தனை அணைமுகத்தனை இந்தின் இளம்பிறை போலும் எயிற்றனை இந்தின் இளம்பிறை போலும் எயிற்றனை நந்தி மகந்தனை ஞான கொழுந்தினை நந்தி மகந்தனை ஞான கொழுந்தினை புந்தியில் வயிற்றடி போற்றுகின்றேனே புந்தியில் வயிற்றடி போற்றுகின்றேனே.
Happy morning to one and all present here. I am Akshaya RB of class 12. A warm welcome to our respected principal, Mrs. Isakia Mal ma'am, Vice Principal, Mrs. Pushparani ma'am, teachers and students of our school. Happy Teachers Day to all my beloved teachers. It's my privilege to welcome you all on this auspicious day. A teacher is a beacon of knowledge that helps students to remove the ignorance of darkness. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate the Teachers Day and to thank them and praise them for their continuous and hard work and dedication during this pandemic period. We celebrate Teachers Day in remembrance of the great man and professor Dr. Radhakrishnan. On this occasion, I would like to thank all my teachers who gave their precious time for the welfare of our students. Without any further delay, I would like to proceed on to the further programs that our students have prepared for our dear teachers. Thank you.
Happy morning. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy and happiness, as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. Man behind it. In India, 5th September is chosen as Teachers' Day because it was the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a renowned academic of a country who was also the first Vice President and the first President of our independent India. After he became the President, his students wanted to celebrate his birthday. Instead, he asked them to mark it as a day to celebrate teachers. Thus, his contribution to academics, his birth anniversary, became Teachers' Day for Indians. Significance of this day. Teachers' Day serves as a great reminder to appreciate and respect our teachers for their services which they continue to render to the students and also to the community as a whole. Further, it is also teachers who motivate us to do better in life. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development and well-being of the students and nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession. Teachers mold a child's personality and provide a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate and inspire to become better people. Teachers in this pandemic. The unprecedented hardships that the COVID-19 pandemic has imposed us to carry our work from the confines of our homes. Technology provides us with the means to do that in a very successful manner. The teaching profession has no doubt been at the forefront in adapting to this change. We have seen so many innovative means followed by the teachers to reach out to the students. Be it the video lectures, video links, online classes, tests, assignment submission, the teachers' fraternity has been shielded away from its responsibility. Today, our teachers who are not accustomed to the small nuisance of today's digital world have strived to learn, master and adapt to this for the sake of their students, just to make sure that their students keep learning every day. This in spite of the fact that all the teachers face added responsibilities. Their families too need extra care. They must fulfill the requirements of their own children as they are also challenged by full-time homeschooling. Yet, never once do our teachers complain or forgo their duties. With due diligence, they pull themselves together to trudge on towards the goal with optimism. This must be an opportunity to turn that appreciation into the fuel that will finally restore the prestige of the teaching profession and improve teachers' working condition. In honor of my teachers, the light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. You have helped us become wiser for that. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you for what you all have done for us. Time spent with each one of us is nothing short of memorable, and we will forever be indebted to you all for shaping our personality and making us better human beings. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Thank you so much.
to read out a few poems written by the students for their lovable teachers. I want to thank you not just for being a good teacher, but for being a caring second mother. I want to thank you not just for being my teacher, but for being a guide and a mentor. I want to thank you not just for helping me out, but for motivating me and melting away my doubts. Happy Teachers' Day. Written by Ashrita of Class 9B. Blossom like a flower and many more to come. Thank you, teachers, whatever you have made us learn. I wish time would have stopped there. I think it was more than you played roles for us that we are here. Made me realize how truthful you were, transparent in every situation. No doubt to this, whatever was good. You did to us whatever was our notion. Love, anger, sweetness had many feelings in one. Thank you, teachers, for making us realize school was real fun. Written by Darshini of Class 11A. அறிவுக்கு மட்டும் ஆசிரியர்கள் அல்ல, அன்புக்கும் ஆசிரியர்கள் நீங்கள். அறிவுறுத்தும் ஆசிரியர்கள் அல்ல, அனுபவத்தை கற்றுக் கொடுக்கும் ஆசிரியர்களும் நீங்களே. கரும்பலகையில் கனவின் நிழலை காட்டும் காவிய மனிதர்கள் நீங்கள். கற்றோருக்கும் பெற்றோருக்கும் இடையில் தூண்களாக இருப்பவர்கள். வாழும் நாட்களில் வாழ்க்கையின் முகவரியை காட்டுபவர்கள் நீங்கள். கரைபடா கரங்களும் கனிந்த உள்ளமும் கொண்டவர்கள் நீங்கள். மறைந்து வாழ அல்ல, மகிழ்ச்சியாய் வாழ கற்றுக் கொடுத்தவர்கள் நீங்கள். தடுமாறி தடமாறும் நிலையில் தரணிக்கு வழிகாட்டியாய் இருந்தவர்கள். உங்களுக்காக அல்ல, எங்களுக்காக வாழ்வை அர்ப்பணித்தவர்கள். Written by Bavadarani of Class 9B. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the present here. I am going to read out all the poems which has been given by our students. They are actually given their maximum effort to talk about their teachers. They need to say thanks to you and all teachers. Sir, please hear to this and be happy. We need your happiness for all. If you are happy, we will be happy for forever. Thank you. Thanks for being a mentor of our heart. We may not say this every day, but your inspirational words are like footprints etched in your heart and mind forever. You inspired me to achieve my goals and dreams. I found guidance, friendship, discipline and love, everything in your person, that is teacher. Thank you, teachers, for all things that you have done for us. Happy Teachers' Day. This is by Vigneshwari of Class 11A. Thank you, Vigneshwari, for your wonderful contribution in our Teachers' Day. Your thanksgiving is really inspirational for us. Next poem by Gajalakshmi of Class 11A. Teacher appreciate something value. Here is a teacher appreciation poem that I created in honor to Teacher Appreciation Day and to say thank you, teacher. Thanks for all that you did in your classroom, for making a million split-second decisions for the benefits of your students, for putting your own needs on hold and keeping them on the focus of your day, for planning for our future, ever God ruling, for changing those plans because they didn't fit someone who needed a little extra, for placing your hand on your shoulder that cold exactly what someone needed, for getting down on physical level of the student because it mattered for our India. You are the making pillar. Thank you. This is a drawing by Raghav of Class 11A. Has been depicting the teacher's contribution. Has been showing how teacher is teaching the lesson to students and students are how enthusiastically they are listening. Her drawing is really, it's bold, it's saying, it's depicting the situations wonderfully, Raghav. Thank you. And I once again like to thanks teacher because you are the real scenario of this. Thank you. Okay, this is also a drawing by R. Deepika Shriya, class 11A. I like to express this is a old type of system of teaching where the Sadguru, the teacher, is teaching Veda to the Shishyas, that means his disciples, in a wonderful manner in the nature. This is the real scenario of the teaching in the earlier day, and it is showing the ancient culture of teaching. Really, it also shows the students' patriotism and respect towards the Sadguru. The Sadguru is also teaching the way. This is the teacher's ultimate patriotism and student interaction and the nature. Thank you for your wonderful diagram. Thank you once again. All happy Teachers' Day. May all teachers live forever without any health issues, etc. They live forever with happiness. Their family may also get plus on this happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
A warm and graceful morning to everyone. I'm Rohita of class 11 and it's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all the wonderful and dedicated teachers of Shaktivinayakar Hindu Vidyalaya. Our first thanks goes to our respected principal, Miss Isaki ma'am, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and who guided us in a positive way. We take immense pleasure in thanking our Vice Principal, Ms. Pushparani ma'am, for her constant guidance in various programs. A special mention to all the coordinators and teachers who supported us for this event. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the students for their untiring efforts and also the parents for their constant support and encouragement. Last but not the least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this virtual Teachers' Day celebration memorable for all of us. Once again, happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers for being the light for us. Thank you.